Welcome to Power User with Crash Long Johns. Welcome back, everyone, and thank you for coming by and checking this out. I plan on progressing through SharePoint, MS Forms, Power Automate, and Power Apps. First, starting out by giving just some novice videos or beginner videos, and then working up to Cat 2 and Cat 1. For those that don't know what that means, I'm just kind of throwing in a little bit of my mountain biking into there. So Cat 2 is pretty much like intermediate. Cat 1 kind of get up there to the expert level, understand everything that's going on, things that we might throw at you. But as the videos progress, what we're going to do is we're going to start out with SharePoint and kind of cover SharePoint and the novice pieces. Then we'll move into MS Forms and the novice pieces, Power Automate's novice, and then also the Power Apps novice. Nice thing is also I'm going to tag these videos with the wording of novice, Cat 2, Cat 1. So in search, you can look and see which ones that you're after that are kind of the beginner, intermediate, and then expert type level. So let's begin. Like, what is SharePoint? I'm just going to quote Microsoft, and I'm going to read it because, again, I just don't have it memorized, but per Microsoft, organizations use Microsoft SharePoint to create websites. You can use it as a secure place to store, organize, share, and access information from any device. All you need is a web browser such as Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, Chrome, or Firefox. So with that, I mean, it's allowing you to set up pretty much, like I said, like an internal website, and that's what most organizations are using it for. And you're able to then have pages, lists, libraries, and we'll get more into that as we go along. Also, what's the history behind SharePoint? Well, SharePoint started itself back in with its name SharePoint in 2001. Some out there might even know that it started like before then with a totally different name, but officially SharePoint started with its name in 2001, and it's had various versions: 2003, 2007, 2010, 2013. 2013 is where I kind of came into understanding and knowing SharePoint, because that's about when I started my career path, again, as I mentioned earlier in my intro video, in 2016. And then there's also SharePoint 2016, 2019, and we also have SharePoint Online. And SharePoint Online is our Office 365 piece. And that's where pretty much most of my videos will be playing around in the Office 365 SharePoint Online. And as far as if not aware of, SharePoint did have a recent birthday on March 27th of 2021, and it's a ripe old age of 20 years old. So what is all within SharePoint? Well, we got SharePoint parts that you can help utilize. It allows you to be able to collaborate. You can also share news. You can build a form, like an intake form, maybe even just a little survey form, list, libraries, and much more. And we'll, again, get deep into that as we go along with the videos next in line. What I plan on also doing is for most to maybe not all the videos, but most of them, I'm also going to supply any additional support materials that you can look out there that are basically coming either from Microsoft themselves, so you can kind of get a feel for SharePoint and where else to like pick up some extra knowledge, or even maybe a few MVPs, which again is Microsoft valued professionals that have some videos out there also. So hope you'll be able to join for the rest of the videos that will be coming. Again, we're going to start with SharePoint on the novice end, but we will eventually will get into some of the deep dives and even some extras that I've learned along the way and that I have that's current. So thank you for stopping by. Until next time, keep learning.